Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up off-cycle payrolls in Gusto. Sometimes you need to pay someone outside your regular payroll schedule. Maybe it's a missed payment, a bonus, or a correction. That's where off-cycle payroll comes in. Now here's how to set it up in Gusto. First step, go to the Payroll tab. So from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on Payroll. This is where all your payroll activities live, including regular and off-cycle runs. Step 2, click Run Off-Cycle Payroll. Now on the Payroll page, you'll see a button labeled as More Payroll Options or Run Off-Cycle Payroll. So just click that to start. Step 3, choose the pay dates. Now you want to select the date that you want employee to get paid. This can be the next business day or scheduled in advance. Step 4, select the employee. Now choose which employee you want to pay in this run. You can pick one or multiple employees depending on the situation. Step 5, enter payment details. Add the specific payment amount for each selected employee. You can also include bonuses, commissions, or adjustments if needed. Just make sure that you label each one for clarity. Step 6, choose tax preferences. You can decide whether or not Gusto should withhold taxes for this payment. For example, bonuses can be taxed at a flat rate, or you can exclude tax altogether if it's a reimbursement. Step 7, review and submit. Double check all the details, the names, amount, tax handlings, and pay dates, and if everything looks good, go ahead and hit submit payroll. Boom, off-cycle payroll is done. Whether it's a last-minute correction or a surprise bonus, Gusto makes it easy to keep things on track. Next, I'm going to show you how to process bonuses and commissions smoothly, so stay tuned to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.